How to redeem Chick-fil-A promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box over there. Type in Chick-fil-A promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, wordpenny.com. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get working promo code for Chick-fil-A. Once you're in this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, $30 off, free delivery, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. Now I can copy the code, then click on shop. You will be directed to the official website of Chick-fil-A. Once you're on the website, log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Or you type in the copied code and then confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. So this way you can easily redeem the code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Chick-fil-A. To grab and use any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Chick-fil-A. So this is how you can easily redeem Chick-fil-A promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.